Hi, it is day one. Let's have some fun. Let's go out in the sun and do a little run. Thank you. It's day one of VEDA, and that means vlog every day in April. So that's what I'm going to do. You know, I'm not gonna post every day because that's just not a thing. I'm thinking every 2 to 4 days. But I will be recording something every day, and maybe I'll do a jingle every day too. We'll see how that goes. Day one, I already did my adulting. I was supposed to go to the gym, but I didn't go to the gym because I don't feel like being in the gym, especially because I mean it was storming really bad this morning, and it's supposed to be scattered storms all day. So I was like, you know, I'll go to the gym, but it's just the sky has cleared up, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna just go outside for a jog. So I'll do that after I eat because I'm starving like Marvin. Why has anybody not fed Marvin yet? Anyway, I want to take a nap because I might be going out tonight. We shall see. I'm really tired. You know, this week I had a long week. I was working every day, which is not normal for me. So, you know, and when I was working every day, and like all of my days were like really long, which is not something I'm used to anymore. So that was a lot. And then I went to DC, and you know, just I was moving around a lot. And then this weekend I have things that I'm supposed to do too. So, you know, I'm gonna be moving around and things, and I mean it's fun. I'm having a great time, but I'm just tired. So this evening did not go as planned. Okay, I was supposed to exercise, but I ended up falling asleep and taking a nap for like 2 hours. Then it started to get dark, and I was gonna go out to exercise, but then I was supposed to go out to First Fridays, but that's not happening obviously because you see me in the bed. So tomorrow morning before church I have to get up early and do it. So today was just another rest day. I got guilt tripped into coming out. Day two, what you gonna do? Anything to shoe and I'm on the shoe. Thank you. I'm gonna go exercise. Gonna come back, eat a little breakfast, and wash my body and get ready for church. On any block, you know what I mean? I did what I said I was gonna do, and I went to exercise. I went on a jog, and I brought Riley with me, and I feel good about myself. So now I'm going to drink my shake, get ready for church. I have a little bit of time actually, but whenever I have a little bit of time, I always end up being late because I'm just like, I have time. You know what I mean?
And I'm late. It's okay. On the way. After church, gonna go to potluck, which I'm mostly excited for because I'm already hungry again. And now it is Saturday night, and what is Troy Davis doing? About to throw some laundry in the wash. Day 3, walk with me, singing like a D, like a C. Thank you. I almost said smoke a little tree, but we're gonna leave that alone. Going to exercise. Wow, wow. My key. Does anybody have a push to start and they little joint be messing up? Because I think I need to take my car to the shop because they playing with me. Because maybe it's not gonna act up right now, but that's because they know that the camera's right there and fake. You know what I'm saying? So this is Sydney and Lisa, everyone.
They know who I am at this point.
Do they?
And if they don't know,
now you know.
We're cheesy.
So, we're looking at this lady's Instagram, and she very, very obviously, I'm not gonna show her because no. But she very obviously waist trained. But literally, her waist looks like it's probably 20 inches, right? Maybe smaller.
Maybe smaller.
And that's no exaggeration.
Like,
maybe like 15.
Yeah, I'm thinking like 15, 17, possibly 18 on a good day after you had a burger. But her waist is really small.
And they're harmful.
Yeah, I can't get past her eyebrows. I just, to each his own, but I just have a problem with the quick buck person. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like for years, women or people in general, but since we're talking about waist trainers, women have been so desperate to get rid of their belly, whether they just had a baby or whether it's just been a lifelong struggle, that somebody has now created these waist trainers. Because, I mean, let's get real. Waist trainers, they used to use them back in Europe in the like Queen Elizabeth days. That's how they pulled those tight dresses. Mm-hmm. It was like a thing back then. Mm-hmm. But if you do your research, it was also an issue back then. But playing off of women who are desperate to do anything and try anything to get their waists smaller, a person has decided to do what I call a quick get rich scheme. Mm-hmm. And create waist trainers. Why? Because women are going to buy them because they're desperate. It's not because it's beneficial health wise or they care about women in general. It's just money, and that irritates me. Because women are going to buy it because they're desperate. Forget about my long-term health. What I'm doing right now is I want a small waist and I'm going to do anything by any means necessary. That irritates my spirit. A woman says, Jessica Rabbit. Mm-hmm. Wonderful body. What is wonderful about this?
It is a puppy. Oh my goodness! It's a corgi!
I think it hurt you.
Oh my goodness! Oh, look how adorable you are! I want a corgi. Oh my goodness! You can't even see him in the grass. So my camera died when we were going down the steps. So
It's working now, though, right?
I'm talking to the camera now.
Oh.
So time has passed, of course, but now we're at the food truck rally. It's a lot of people out here, so we shall see.
you're scrubbing bubbles to clean out the bacteria, you use this, you know what I'm saying, and swish it around and keep it under control.